So when we started the renovation for the house, we never had kitchen in plan. We were not going to change the kitchen. But slowly when we did our civil work, we found that we had a lot of termites. So then we decided that we'll get the kitchen done with carpenters and not modular. But then because modular is a little expensive. So we just thought that okay, at least let me find out. I thought let me find out from some place how much actually it costs and all that. So I just googled actually. Very frankly, I googled and I found Greco Kitchen. Yeah. So I found their name and the next day I just called them and their response was very good. Instantly, their people came. They saw the place. They took the measurements. And then after doing all that, I visited their showroom and I really liked what they had. Also, when I visited the showroom, I had a talk with Mr. Amul. So I liked the way his approach was. He was very nice. He was like, he understood exactly what my needs were. And then after that, we thought, okay, I told him I'll get back to you because I was not sure whether we are still going ahead with this kind of budget. But then more civil work we did and we realized that there was too much of termite problem. So we had to literally, break that entire old kitchen. So then I did go to 2-3 other modular kitchen people. But then because I had liked the way Amulji was, interacting his things and I had liked what I saw in their showroom, I went back to them. And then that's when I had told them my time restrictions because of, I had very little time for them to get the whole thing done. And they agreed and they said they will try and do as much as possible from their part. And they did. We did have initial some hiccups in between, like some issues and all that, but then everything was sorted. So the material what I chose then was a eco-friendly polymer, which is more for the termite problem. And because ours is an old building, it's like more than 35-year-old building. So the termite problem can always reoccur. So that's the reason we went for the polymer. And hopefully now I don't think we'll have that problem. And of course for the cockroaches and all, we do the pest control. So that is regular basis, we keep on doing that. But the termite problem, I'm sure we won't have any more, especially with the kitchen area for sure. Yeah, so initially we were undecisive as to whether we should go for a modular, we should go for polymer, or we should go in and spend so much for the kitchen. But after, like I said, after I met Greco people, I saw everything, we just decided and now we are very happy with it. And they have done a fantastic job.